Okay, Elisa. Ready for a macchiato? Wait a minute. Be careful. Concentrate. Slow down now. 4 more. Okay, show Daddy now. Let me see. Wow, that was a good one, Elisa. Are you ready to drink that and try? Is it good? How good is it? That much good? That means it's excellent. All right. That was a good pour, Elisa. Very good. Well, this is the one Oh, that's the one I poured. All right. So, how is it then? All right. So, enjoy your... What's that you're drinking? What's the name of that? What's the... Is it a cappuccino or a macchiato?
Cappuccino.
Cappuccino. That's a small one. I think that's more like a macchiato. All right. Hey, thanks for helping me out, okay?
Yeah.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
See you later.
See you later.